Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the power of your words, the words you choose to guide your month, quarter, and year. The words that shape your mindset, your actions, and ultimately your results. If you're serious about growth, success, and making this your best year yet, I want to make sure that you take a moment and choose 3 powerful words that will serve as your compass for the year. Words that will help guide your decisions, push you forward when you feel stuck, and remind you of the bigger picture. Why do words matter? Your words shape your focus. Your focus determines your actions, and your actions create your results. Think about it. If you're constantly saying, I'm overwhelmed, or I don't have enough time, what do you think happens? You stay stuck. But if you shift that narrative to something like, I'm in control of my time, or I take action daily, you start moving with purpose. Your 3 guiding words. Now, I want you to pick 1 to 3 words that will define your year. Words that will call you into action and keep you on track. Here's some examples. If you're leveling up in business and leadership, words like growth, discipline, influence. If you're breaking out of your comfort zone, words might be like courage, action, expansion. If you're ready to make things happen, it might be about consistency, vision, and execution. Whatever words you choose, make sure that they excite you. They should light a fire in you every single day. So for me, this year, the words that I've chosen to use are getting connected to. So for example, I'm getting connected to my life. I'm getting connected to my time. I'm getting connected to my resources. I'm getting connected to my relationships. So you want to find a word that you can actually really live by on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. So it's like a mantra for your year. So for me, again, I chose I'm getting connected to. Find a phrase or find some words that can really shape your year. Once you have your words, don't just forget about them. Make them a part of your daily life. Write them down where you'll see them on your mirror, your desk, your phone. Use them when making decisions. Before you say yes or no to something, ask yourself, does this action align with my 3 words? Check in with them monthly. Your 3 guiding words will set up your foundation. But each month, choose 1 new word to refine your focus even further. For example, January might be momentum. Start strong, build habits. February might be about discipline, staying consistent even when motivation dips. March might be about visibility, putting yourself out there, growing your network. This monthly focus will help you keep growing intentionally and really keep you aligned all year long. My words for this year. So I want to talk a little bit about the words for my year. So to give you an example, here are my words for the year. My words are getting connected. So for example, for me, it's getting connected to my relationships, getting connected to my time, to my money, to my family, to my partner. Leveling up my network might be leveling up my network for my skills or leveling up my bank account. Completion is about follow through, finishing what I start. Every decision I make, I ask, does this get me connected? Does this level me up? Will this move me towards completion? That's what keeps me focused, driven, and in motion when I get stuck. Now it's your turn. Drop 3 words in the comments below, and let's see what's gonna define your year. What will push you forward? And remember, your words create your reality, so speak power into your life. Let's make this your most impactful year yet.